Hey guys, this is Ben with Martin's Outdoor Power. In this video we're watching Joe repair washout damage at a culvert on a local farm. He's in the Avant 528 and the attachment is the 210 Backhoe. We had some rain in the past week or two and it created a lot of damage around the farm, bringing out a lot of the stones on the roadway into the creek and blocking this culvert. Here Joe was pulling up some logs, brush, and even some larger rocks. Again, we were able to get real close to the creek. The controls are real easy to use and it's versatile, and it made it really efficient. We were only there for probably an hour and a half before the job was done. To finish the job, Joe was using the 4-in-1 bucket to level out those stones and preparing the road back to what it used to be. Thanks for watching and enjoy.